Hello, today we're going to talk about a car suspension system.
There's three main components for suspension, which is spring, damper, and control arm. Spring is the main shock absorbing component, and spring damper is a hydraulic piston that controls spring from excessive bouncing. The control arm is a connection between wheel and main body of the car, so it isolates vibration on the wheel. Doors connects together as a folder like this to form a suspension of a car. The environments that the suspension is exposed are open environments with moisture and dust freely in contact with components. This results in higher tolerance and high surface integrity to make suspension last longer, durable, and fits together in complex structures.
Moving on to material selection, first up are the springs. We selected highly tensile steel because it's incredibly strong and can handle the consistent flexing and stress that the spring will undergo. The material also meets automotive standards for durability, making it a reliable and cost-effective choice. Next up, we have the shock absorbers. The outer casing is made out of steel to protect against corrosion and wear, and it's also filled with hydraulic oil to absorb shocks efficiently. For the control arm, we chose aluminum alloy. It's lightweight, which helps improve handling, but still strong enough to support the vehicle's weight. We also considered alternative materials like composites and titanium. While these offer some benefits, they're more expensive and harder to manufacture. In summary, our material choices balance performance, durability, and cost, making them ideal for a car suspension system.
And castings are amongst one of the most popular methods when it comes to producing a lower control arm. However, forging strikes ahead of other methods due to its high strength and durability, especially when it comes to the resistance of wear and tears. Next, we have the shock absorbers. This is one of the most important components when it comes to car suspensions. Without this, your car's gonna be bumpy as hell. Next, we have coil springs. This is a very interesting part because bare metal will be turned into coils, as you can see in the picture, and they will be put on top of the shock absorbers. Interestingly, they both went through a surface treatment process where they are powder coated with either nickel or chrome in order to protect it from corrosions and increase the longevity of the products. Lastly, we have bushings. Bushings are produced by injection moldings. This allows for cost effective in order to produce it in mass production scale.
There are many steps when it comes to assuring the quality of manufacturing the car suspension components. First, there is ensuring that the materials are of high quality. Next, there is the material process control. And next, we have assembly and random inspections to see if the parts are manufactured correctly. Next, we have component testings, which include fatigue testing, corrosion testing, vibration testing, and impact testing, and many others. And after finally, we have end-of-line testing, which entails using these components in a real-life vehicle to test out how it would react in a real-life scenario. Next, we have the associated costs, which include material cost, manufacturing cost, and the costs associated with the quality assurance tests. Finally, we have the environmental and waste compliance costs.